As you have seen in the last part, the flowers in the training and test data could be divided by straight lines. This data is very linear. But what happens when the data is non-linear? Consider another set of flowers. How can we divide these points by a line? As you see, the lines have to be curved. Perhaps you remember I said that a neural network is a function approximator. It tries to emulate a function by learning from training data. When you look at this diagram, the curves indicate some nonlinearity. Look at our network again. It has two layers, input and output. And although the softmax activation function introduces some nonlinearity to categorize the result, the rest is all linear. How does this network deal with nonlinear data? Let's find out. Starlet measures the petals of the new flowers and creates 60 training samples and 30 test samples. Here are the test samples in a diagram. As you can see, some flowers are very close together and still have a different color. You probably already suspect that our network might have some trouble classifying the flowers. Let's use the new flower dataset. I paste the new nonlinear training inputs. Change the label names of the one-hot encoding. I paste the training targets. I paste the test inputs. And finally, the test targets. Let's execute the code and see how well the network deals with this nonlinear data. Only 18 out of 30 samples are predicted correctly. What can we do at this point? I'll adjust the epochs and learning rate. Let's increase the epochs to 1000. A little bit better. How about 5000? That took a while, and the result is still not great. I'll increase the learning rate. Nope. It seems the network is stuck at around 73%. Although the cost is still decreasing a bit, this kind of brute force won't bring us to the goal anytime soon. We need a new strategy. You just saw that our network with two layers has some trouble dealing with nonlinear data. The solution to this problem is to add a layer to the system. Why and how this works, you will see in the next part.